Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, laysu sawa'a min ahlil kitabi ummatun qa'imatun yatluna ayatillahi ana al-layli wa hum yasjudun. Translation: Yet all of them are not alike. Among the people of the book is a nation who stands up for the right. They recite verses of Allah during the night hours and while prostrating in prayers. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala described two groups among the people of the book, one the believers and the other non-believers, and then he described the characteristics of the non-believers. Now in this ayah and the next two ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is describing the believers. In the reasons of revelation, it is mentioned that when some of the people of the book accepted Islam, among them are included Abdullah bin Salam and also Asad bin Ubaid radhiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. The Jews said that those who were bad people among us, they accepted Islam. If they were good, they would never leave the religion of their forefathers. Subhanahu wa ta'ala sent these ayahs, and in this ayah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that all the people of book are not the same. There is one group among them who are on the straight path. They pray at the time of night and they recite the ayahs of Allah and they prostrate. Allahu Akbar. Quran is the speech of the King of the Kings, who is very just and has absolute justice. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if he describes any bad characteristics of a nation, he also describes the good people among them. And these ayahs are about the good people among the people of the book. It's the straight path from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the steadfastness on the straight path is a big blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this steadfastness on the straight path is a gift and bounty from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Recitation of Quran in the prayers of the night, meaning tahajjud, has lots of bounties and benefits. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to stay awake and used to recite Quran in the prayers of tahajjud with lots of reverence, lots of pondering, lots of love, and used to cry while reciting the ayahs of Quran. And same is the habit of the Salihin of today, and same was the habit of the companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And it will stay the same till the end of the world. Muslim is closest to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at the time of prostration, and here prostration is meant the salah. In the next ayah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, يُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنْكَرِ وَيُسَارِعُونَ فِي الْخَيْرَاتِ وَأُولَٰئِكَ مِنَ الصَّالِحِينَ. Translation: They believe in Allah and the last day and enjoin to do right and forbid from wrong and hasten to excel in doing good works, competing with others. Those are of the righteous. Completion of oneself is achieved with the Iman, and completion of the others is achieved by calling them towards the goodness and striving for their benefit, which is jihad. A believer cares about both completion of himself and completion of others. One competition that we must do is the competition to do the good works and do more good works than the other. This is the competition we all must do. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that before the fitna or trial, sure, hasten to do the good deeds. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَمَا يَفْعَلُوا مِنْ خَيْرٍ فَلَنْ يَكْفَرُوا وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِالْمُتَّقِينَ. Translation: And whatever good they do, it will not be rejected or disregarded, and Allah is knowing the pious who fear Him. No matter how small the good deed is, one must not consider it small, because whatever good is done with sincerity is accepted by Allah. So in summary, there are 5 characteristics of these people: steadfastness on belief, recitation of Quran in the prayers of tahajjud, believe on Allah and hereafter, doing amar bil ma'ruf wa nahi anil munkar, competition with others in doing good deeds. Oh Allah, give us all these characteristics. Amin wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.